How does one paraphrase an idea without plagiarizing? Isn't it plagiarism if you just change some of the words? Quoting text directly is okay now and then when the author has a particularly eloquent way of phrasing an idea, but paraphrasing the author's words is a much better way to demonstrate your understanding of the concept and how it supports your argument. There are 4 steps to paraphrasing. First, read the sentence, paragraph, or passage that supports your argument. Next, think about the author's claim and how it relates to your argument. Third, put the book or article away so you can't see it. Then explain the argument in your own words based on your understanding. Finally, cite your source. Even though the text you've written is in your own words and is in some ways your own creation, the idea at the center of that particular argument came from someone else. You must give them credit. Let's look at an example. Here's a passage from a critical essay about Peter Pan. Take a moment to read it now. Now I'll put the book away and attempt to paraphrase what I've read. Does this look good to you? Let's compare it to the original. Oops, it looks like my memory was a little too good. I used some of the same words the original author used, and the sentence really isn't all that different from what was originally written. It looks more like a sloppy quotation than paraphrasing. Let me try again. Okay, how about this? The structure of the sentence is the same, and the idea is communicated pretty clearly, but I've explained the idea in a different way. This will show my professor that I really understand the point the author was trying to make. Okay, I feel like I'm still missing something. Oh yeah, I need to cite my source. And according to my style guide, my in-text citation can be done 2 ways. I can either mention the author in the text, or I can put it at the end. I also need to remember to put the full citation at the end of my paper in my list of references. Now, let's see if you're getting the hang of this. If you would like some additional help on this topic, there are several resources on campus you can try. Now that you're getting the hang of paraphrasing, let's move on to other ways you can avoid plagiarism.